Hello there, friends. Gary here, out in Holland, Michigan. This is one of the little strip malls they got here, with the Walmart, Sam's Club, and all these Seagulls come here since we live by the water, about 15 miles from Lake Michigan. And I usually come out here and they all come running when you feed them. They're crazy for the food. Get down here closer. See if some come closer. Yeah. We get a lot of them around here. They come in from the water. And they just love getting fed. There's tons of them around here. Well, I'm headed to Walmart, so you all have a good one and take care.